Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a fall look, but with the October boxycharm I received. So in it I got mostly eye products this month, but then I also got the iconic London Prep Set Glow Mist. I like the smell of it. Oh, I sprayed it on before I did my face, but then since I didn't get any other face, I went on and did everything: blush, bronzer, highlight, all that good stuff. So before I start my eyes, I'm gonna go on, give this a good shake, and then spray it. And it's the most like satisfying look. Like I could just stare at this forever. It's so pretty. I did get the choice. Literally the choice. They are starting where you can go in and you can choose one of the items you wanted, and I chose this month. This is $29, and it's a hydrating mist that refreshes with light reflecting properties that leave the skin with Iconic's glow. It could be used to prep the skin before applying makeup, set a finished look, or add a radiant gloss to a bare face and body. It has cucumber extracts and chamomile. It has antioxidants, green tea, caffeine, vitamin E, and it's 100% vegan. It helps to condition skin, combat the look of dark circles, and leave your skin looking revitalized and glowing. So we'll go on and spray that on. It's a really strong mist. It's really strong. But there we go. And you can kind of see the glow that's given. I mean, I already do have highlight on, but you can see that it's like making the rest of my face really shiny. And then you can see the aftermath of what it sprayed out on my chest. So what we're gonna go in with next is in this month, I got the Mellow Tinted Brow Gel. It looks like this, and it is $16, and it's just for tinted. It's a tinted brow gel. I got mine, they've sent me dark brown. It's lightweight, non-sticky gel. It has a small brush applicator, and you can use it over powder or pencil. I'm just gonna use it by itself today because I'm trying to do like a light makeup look today. I don't want it to be too heavy. I am planning on filming more than one video today, so I do not want to be using a lot of makeup and to mess up with my skin from that. That looks good. Where's my concealer? And then, I mean, you can clean up the edges. It looks good. I like it without having put it on over anything else. It filled in my brows nicely, and it's not too harsh looking. It looks good, and I like it. So now what we are going to go in with is we got mascara, we got a pencil eyeliner, and then we got eyeshadow. So we'll go on in with the eyeshadow. We got the Sassy Siennas from Dose of Colors. It's a 5-pan matte eyeshadow palette with a mix, and let's see, it's usually $32. And so mine sadly came slightly broken, so I'm kind of sad about that. And then the part that had been broken off was nowhere in the pan, so I don't know if they shipped it to me broken or if I don't know. But the chunk that the chunk that's missing is not in the pan. It was not in my boxycharm box, so I don't know what that was. But we're gonna create a pretty simple look with this, and then finish off our eyes. So it's gonna be a pretty quick video today, and then we will finish it off and see what we think of everything. So the shades that they are from this side first: Stay Sassy, Brassy, Foxy, Bossy, and Oh So Sassy. So we're gonna go in with Foxy first and blow it out. Oh, that pigment that's some good pigment. There is quite a bit of dusties in the pan. Just forewarning. So what I'm not the biggest fan of this palette is there are no highlighting shades. There's no shade that I can use for the inner corner, for my brow bone. I usually like when my palettes, especially when they're like this small and they're easy to travel with, I wish that they had like a highlighting palette. And it doesn't even necessarily need to be a shimmer. Like these are all matte, which is fine. Like I like all matte looks, but give me like a lighter shade that I can use to highlight. But otherwise, this was so pretty. It was easy to blend. The pigment was amazing. It just did have quite a few dusties in it. Now we are going to go in with the shade Brassy, this one right here, and then just build up the dimension in that outer corner. Okay, so for the middle of my eye, I'm going to go in with the darkest shade of Stay Sassy, and then just put that all over. I know I said I was gonna go for a pretty easy natural look, but with the deepness of the color of this palette, that was, I mean, it was a little difficult to do. I'm sure if I went in with the two lighter oranges, they would be a little different. So we'll do those on my under eye and see how we like them. So I'm gonna go in with Bossy, this orangey like terracotta color right there, and put that right on the bottom. Okay, so even that one's really vibrant. It looks a lot the same like this up here, but they're two different shades. So these colors are beautiful, they are, but I just think, I mean, you could have cut out one of the shades and put in a lighter color. So now we'll go in with, what is it? Oh So Sassy, this lightest color right here. And then just blow out that and hope. Okay, well, they aren't lacking on the pigment. Oh my. That's what all the shades look like. We'll go, let's see. So there's the shades. I mean, they're really beautiful, they're really nice, they're really pigmented, they look good. Is it my most favorite palette? No. The pigment's beautiful, but I just wish it was a different shade range. Like, it's just not one I would travel with. Like, yes, it makes a beautiful look, and the pigment's great and all that, but it's just not my cup of tea. So what we'll go in with next is this pencil. It's a, let's see, it's Hollywood and Vine Kohl Velvety Touch Smooth Kohl eyeliner. It's in black, and it's just a wooden one, so we'll go on and put that on my tight line and my waterline, and then go in with the mascara. So there's that. This pencil is $7. It took a little bit to get it going, but it is really pretty. Let's see if we can see this. I mean, it's nice. It's not my favorite. I much prefer the ColourPop liners, the ones that like twist up and down. So it's nice. It's $7. So yeah, we'll go on into the mascara next. So this month I got the Hank & Henry Slick With It Mascara Duo. and it is usually $19. It's vegan, waterproof, and it says that it does not flake and it does not transfer. It's to work with their formula that adds volume and length to top lashes, while the other side, one side's like the thicker and then the other side's a thin one to get the mascara onto your lower lashes. So here's the small side, like super thin, and then here's the thick side. These tubes are very small. It's $19. Let's see what a normal like drugstore. So this, my Lash Paradise, has 7.6 milliliters. And this one has 7 milliliters. So maybe that's divided by the two of them, so it's like 3.5 in each side, because, and I could be wrong, there could be a lot of extra space in this. I just wouldn't see that, but like one side, see, that's a big difference. And this is a drugstore brand, so it's not that expensive. And then this one is $19. So just a little curious on how the product actually, if it's divided or if each side is actually 7 and then there's just a lot of extra space in that one. I don't know, I'll have to look more into it. I just think $19 is a little bit much for the amount you're getting. Now, if it was like a full on, like this one, like the full on like super high, well, higher end, and it gave us this much product for both sides, and it wanted to be more than $19, that'd be fine. But it's just a little amount of product for $20. Like, if it was just one-sided and I had to pay $20 for this much mascara, I would not do that. It would have to be basically paying my rent for me to do that. So we will go on in and be right back. Okay, so we are back. The look is done. I really like the mascara. I do. It's just, I think it's a little more watery than the mascara I'm used to, because even with the small brush, I still got it like on my under eye, and I don't have a problem with that when I use the smaller brush and I had an issue with it. When I have my bigger brush, I don't have an issue with it. So I'll have to play around with it. I mean, there's not much you can play around with mascara with, but just use it a little bit more. The little wand, I'm just not used to that, obviously. I'm used to the bigger ones. I do appreciate that they gave us a smaller wand for our bottom lashes, for the fact that most of the time it's just one size and that's what you get. But I really do like that. I do like it. I just don't know if I like it more than my big ego. But yeah, so here's the look, final finished look. So just a final recap, we used the iconic London Prep Set Glow. We use that, and I think the color is their Water Mist Original. There's a darker one. We used this one. I'll give it one more spritz since we're done. That's that. And then we also use the Mellow Tinted Brow Gel in medium brown. I really, really like this. I can't say much about the setting spray yet, just because I've just put it on, but I do like the way it makes my skin look. I had extremely dry skin today, and I can't really, now that I put that on, it's really helped even it out, and you can't really see it. So I do like that. I'm probably going to continue to use it. The Mellow Brow Gel, I really like. I do. I like how it looks more natural, and it's not as, they don't look painted on or markered on. The eyeliner, not my favorite. It's just a normal pencil eyeliner. I didn't feel anything special from it. And then the mascara, I like it. Would I have went out and bought it on my own? Probably not. And then the eyeshadow palette. I do like the palette. I like the pigments. I just probably, again, would not buy this on my own. Just because the shade range just isn't. it doesn't wow me. So this one's box. I love boxycharm, and I love the idea of it and how it gives you so many great products, but I just was not wowed by this month's box. There were some hits, there were some misses, and then there were like some so we'll keep playing with this. Okay, so this is the final look. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give a thumbs up to this video, and then leave a comment down below on any other videos you'd like me to do for you all, or any challenges or anything like that. And then have a good night, a good day, wherever you are when you're watching this. And then, yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.